Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Biochemistry Concepts. Calcium is absorbed from the first and second part of the duodenum, and this calcium absorption requires energy because it is absorbed against the concentration gradient. There are some factors that influence the absorption of calcium, that is, the factors that increase, there are some factors that decrease the calcium absorption from the intestine. Factors increasing the calcium absorption: calcitriol, lysine, arginine, acidity, and parathyroid hormone. Code to remember factors increasing calcium absorption is CLAP. Now we'll see how these factors are increasing calcium absorption, that is the mechanism behind the increasing the calcium absorption. Calcitriol, the active form of vitamin D, it induces the synthesis of calcium binding protein, that is calbindin. So in the intestinal epithelial cells, and thereby it facilitates the absorption of calcium. So when there is more amount of calcium binding protein, calcium is easily absorbed from the intestine. Lysine and arginine, these two amino acids, they increase the absorption of calcium. Because these amino acids, they increase the solubility of calcium salts. So when the solubility is increased, their absorption is also increased. Acidity favors the calcium absorption because the calcium salts, particularly phosphate and carbonates, calcium phosphate, calcium carbonates, they are quite soluble in the acidic solutions. Parathyroid hormone, in short PTH, PTH directly cannot increase the calcium absorption, but PTH stimulates 1-alpha hydroxylase enzyme in the kidney, and it increases the synthesis of 1,25 dihydroxycholecalciferol. It's also called as calcitriol. So we know that calcitriol increases the calcium absorption by inducing the calcium binding protein, that is calbindin. Factors decreasing the calcium absorption: malabsorption syndromes, oxalates, phytates, and phosphates. So the code to remember factors decreasing the calcium absorption from the intestine are MOPP, M-O-P-P. In malabsorption syndromes, fatty acids are not absorbed properly. So these fatty acids in the intestine, they produce insoluble calcium soaps, and these insoluble calcium soaps are excreted in the feces, which ultimately leads to decreased calcium absorption. Oxalates present in vegetables like cabbage and spinach, they form insoluble calcium oxalates, which are also excreted in the feces, thus lowering the calcium absorption from the intestine. Cereals contain phytic acid, which forms insoluble calcium salts, decreasing the calcium absorption. High phosphate content will cause precipitation of calcium as calcium phosphate. The optimum ratio of calcium to phosphate, which allows the maximum absorption, is 1:2 to 2:1.